Hey mate, I'm doing a video.
Doing a video.
Breakers.
Customers?
No, they're
New customers?
breakers.
Breakers.
That's
Got
Damo.
nice food in here.
There's nice food, lovely menu in here.
Banging food in here.
Lovely. And they have entertainment on the weekend. Come and have a look outside. It's breakers down in Unity Beach, guys. Somerset. Hello. Look. What a beautiful day today. Look, smoker shed. Arcade for the kiddies. Small arcade. Not very big, but it's alright, does a job. And then you've got all this seating outside. Nice little park for the kiddies. Look. Gorgeous spot. So Unity's over the road there. Unity Beach. And then we own this park as well, this small park. And it gets busy on the weekend. This isn't the week this week, so I thought I'd give you a look. See what you think. Have a bit of a nose. And I'm going to show you a caravan in a minute. So, yeah, bar and restaurant. Yeah. Look at that. Absolutely stunning today. Beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. Nice, isn't it? Lovely food in here. Lovely and air conditioned as well. So look at the park itself. There. It's a very small park. Just sighted this one last week. Sold this one last week.
Cheers, mate. Bye, bye.
Lovely, isn't it? This is a lovely park, Shane, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful, mate. I was just about to send a photo of the decking to Phil.
Phil?
He's done well with that plot, mate, I tell you.
The grass is burning off, it's so warm.
Yeah.
Have we got the key?
Yeah, no, just get it.
We've got one pitch left over here, guys. One pitch left. I want to show you this van inside. Just getting the key, alright? It's Coworth. ABI Coworth. Beautiful. I want to actually show you the beach as well. So, he's just getting the key. And we go in this van. There we go. Beautiful. What do you think, guys? Hang on if you want to look inside this one. It's an ABI Coworth. Beautiful. Guys, I'll take another video in a minute of the inside of this one, alright? Okay? I'll speak to you in a minute.